When you hold an investment in another entity, your first job is to classify it correctly. Get this wrong in the exam, and you will apply the wrong accounting treatment. There are 3 questions to ask in order. Question 1. Do you have control? Under IFRS 10, control has 3 elements. First, power over the investee. Second, exposure to variable returns. Third, the ability to use that power to affect those returns. All 3 must be present at the same time. If yes, it is a subsidiary. You consolidate fully under IFRS 10. Question 2. If not full control, do you have joint control? Joint control means a contractually agreed sharing of control where decisions require unanimous consent of the parties sharing control. If yes, you have a joint arrangement under IFRS 11. Now you need to subclassify. If it is a joint operation, you recognize your share of the assets, liabilities, revenue and expenses directly. If it is a joint venture, you use the equity method. Question 3. If not joint control, do you have significant influence? Significant influence is the power to participate in financial and operating policy decisions, but not to control them. Voting power of 20% or more is the usual starting point, but it is rebuttable. If yes, it is an associate. Apply the equity method under IAS 28. And if the answer to all 3 is no, simple investment. Measure it under IFRS 9 at fair value through profit or loss, or fair value through other comprehensive income. Here is the exam trap. Do not assume ownership percentage equals control. A company can control with 45% if other shareholders are widely dispersed. A company may not control with 55% if contractual arrangements give power to others. Always assess all 3 control elements, not just the ownership percentage. Finally, how do you spot significant influence beyond the 20% threshold? Look for board representation, participation in policy making, material transactions between the entities, interchange of managerial personnel, or provision of essential technical information. Know your tree, apply it in order, and you will not drop marks on this in SBR.